Cha 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 cha.
Hola,
Hola amigos! Today we're going to make a taco! Let's get to it!
I literally live at Public Skies. This is my third time here in 3 days. So guys, sorry I look like a mess, but we are gonna make tacos because it's Taco Tuesday. Grab this kit right here. Some hard and some soft because my boyfriend only likes the soft and I only like the hard. Gonna grab some taco seasoning, original, maybe 2. It's only 99 cents, what the heck. Gonna grab some lean ground beef. Most important thing, can't have tacos without that. Oh, it's on sale. Gotta get some chips. I like these original ones. I don't really like the scooped ones for some reason. This is the way to go. Gotta get some sour cream. Yum. Gotta get some Mexican cheese. That's on sale. Who doesn't love a sale? Have to make sure I have everything. I always say this thing in my head whenever I'm buying tacos. Meat, cheese, sour cream, salsa. That's my daily routine. Got the meat, got the cheese, got the sour cream, have salsa at home. Ooh, gotta get onion. And that's it. I'm pretty basic when it comes to tacos. I don't like all that extra stuff. Lettuce. Nah. We're good. I'm so excited right now, guys. I love tacos. And it's Taco Tuesday. Literally can't miss a Taco Tuesday. Sorry, I look like a tomato right now because the air does not work in my car and it's 96 degrees right now. Looks wonderful. Now I just gotta wait for Joey to get home because he's hard working at the post office. Shout out if he delivers your mail.
Hola amigos, this is me, Josue, and this is
Destiny.
and we are going to make some tacos. So
It's Taco Tuesday.
it's Taco Tuesday. So let's see what we got around here. We got All del Paso taco seasoning. We got hard and soft tacos. We got sour cream to make it all nice and wet. And we got some Mexicano cheese blend. And we've got an onion with some nachos.
Okay, don't break them. Careful. So first what we're gonna do before we start making tacos, we're gonna make a little pre-dinner meal.
So kind of like an appetizer?
Yeah, that's why I bought the chips. Cheese, some Mexican provolone cheese. It's not that sharp cheddar stuff. That's nasty. My dad buys that stuff. No, if you're gonna make tacos, you make some Mexican cheese with the tacos.
Hey Des, what do the viewers have to do?
Hit the like button.
So what we're trying to do here is to put the cheese down, and we want to eat the nacho chip, a salsa. We're going to put the salsa down.
Yeah. This is mild salsa.
So take a chip.
No. Open the sour cream. You can't
Oh.
do that without sour cream.
We got to have the sour cream. So as she whips the sour cream, she's going to.
Perfect. Sour cream.
So as we pour more salsa into the bowl,
Next.
we're going to mix the sour cream nice and nice.
Now,
Now, tell our viewers what we're about to do.
you're gonna eat a chip.
Okay.
I'll show you. Just take it.
Okay.
So what you do, you dip. Well, I like a lot of sour cream. You dip, sour cream. Salsa.
Salsa.
Salsa, dip. Cheese. Cheese.
Oh, dale. Ah!
And you eat. All right. ready to make tacos.
Tacos.
So next I got your pan. I put it on medium heat. Remember our meat that was on sale? It was on sale, by the way. I'm just gonna put it in the pan. Just like that. And then just spread it out a little bit. And just let it sit, wait till it heats up. You hear that? It's heating up, you break it up a little bit. So next we're gonna mix the taco seasoning together.
If she can open it correctly. Oh.
And I already put 2/3 water in this measuring cup, so I'm mixing it with some water. Messy. Not too sad. Okay. And then you just mix it together. And then once the meat is cooked, then you pour this onto the meat. And I think we're gonna need another one of these too.
That's why we have those.
Oh, good job. You know what you could do? You could cut up the onion.
So now we're going to take the tacos out of the box.
I got soft for you.
I like them soft.
And I like them hard.
Oh.
But don't want to break them, so you have to carefully.
You could do whatever you want to mine. You could do this, and this, and this. For hers, you need to be careful.
I'm just going to make them all.
Hey! You think I could juggle these?
Yeah, I dropped them on the floor. You're not going to have any shells. Oh, good job.
This is how we do it in Mexico. So tell the viewers or what is going on here.
Breaking it all up, making sure it's not chunky. Nobody wants chunky meat. Looks so nasty, but it's good at the end.
It's looking good. It's perfect. So Destiny, tell me about these nachos.
Boom, so good.
No, tell me about them.
The cheese. The cheese is what makes it, not that sharp cheddar. Mexican cheese blend. Alright, so this is all done. Now we're gonna strain it. Get all that nasty grease out. Make sure your strainer is in the sink before you pour. Actually, we can put it in this one. Don't miss.
Perfect.
Strain it. Shake it.
Do a little salsa dance. Do it. Just a little. A shimmy shimmy.
I gotta pour this back in. Alright, quickly. Let it sit. You pour the taco seasoning.
Get it in there nice.
It's a little high, but I'm gonna do it over here. Now you could use another one if you want like extra taco seasoning. We're probably gonna have to use another one. Just make one up really quick. Now I gotta put the shells in the oven.
Just like the pizza sauce.
And it goes in for about 7 minutes.
So she made another one.
Good. Yum.
What's that sound?
My shells are ready.
Tacos! Taco Tuesday!
Done. Looks delicious.
And now to make the taco.
You got yours?
So I got mine.
You
And
know it'll be good. Oh.
a taco. What is those called at Taco Bell?
Soft and hard taco.
That's some hot salsa. What is that called?
I don't know, but I kind of want to try it like this.
Okay, take it. So I gotta get another taco.
It's a little bit
So
good.
there's nothing in the taco.
I was trying to pretend like how it would be.
Yeah, pretend you. Okay, so the base needs sour cream.
First, let me do mine together. Sour cream, line the inside.
What I like to do is put cheese at the bottom,
Yep,
on top of the sour cream.
in the shell. Then some meat.
And then I like to put my beef on top. Then I like to put my salsa on top.
Doesn't fit.
My favorite part,
Onions.
my onions. And then you squish it.
Wait, can't eat it yet. I put some more sour cream. Because sour cream is good.
Oh, I need some more cheese.
Cheese. Got Mexican cheese. Onions. Way good.
Taco. Cheers.
Oh, good.
What happened to their soft taco?
You know. Look what I made.
Soft and hard taco. It's the soft taco.
Wow. That was really good.
So how do you like the crunchy and soft at the same time?
That was amazing. Wow.
Delicioso.
Oh, yeah.
So Destiny, what do you think we rate this taco?
I rate it 11 out of 10. I love tacos, guys.
11 out of 10?
Sí.
Sí, my friend. My friend.
Me gusta.
My good. What's my gusta?
I like.
I like. So I rate this. I'm gonna rate this 9 out of 10.
No, you're not.
I have to.
Why?
It's missing something.
What?
It's
You're
a
gonna
missing
insult my
something.
cooking? No.
Our cooking. Let me try a taco one more time. So you think this is 10 out of 10?
I love tacos. I love homemade tacos. But you don't like my cooking?
I've got to give this a 10 out of 10. A 10 out of 10 for my girl. So thank you for tuning in to our amazing taco experience. This is Josue. I'm kidding. This is Joey.
And I'm Destiny.
So make sure you like
Comment.
and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you guys for watching.
And come back next time.
Next week.
Peace out.